So the relationship with Ekhurhuleni and EcoMatch is very simple. Ekhurhuleni have a concern where they were running out of landfill space at their landfills throughout the municipality, and EcoMatch was a service provider who could provide a solution in terms of crushing and screening concrete waste, which at the time was entering the Ekhurhuleni landfill. As an entity, EcoMatch was established in late 2014, myself and a partner of mine, Andries Ulefir, and we became fully operational in mid to late 2016. In that time, we've serviced a handful of clients, one of which is Ekhurhuleni Metropolitan Municipality, and in total to date we've probably diverted approximately 20,000 tons of concrete waste from landfill. So typically business as usual, how it would happen would be concrete waste from the client at their particular site. They would stockpile it off to one side, and as that waste generates into a stockpile, they would then dispose of that at landfill. We as EcoMatch have tried to take the concrete prevention to landfill approach one step further, where we then approach clients and we say, right, let's look at processing and crushing that waste at your site. If we can get the specifications and the product right, the client is then able to reuse that product within their process, allowing them to purchase far less material in terms of natural aggregate from quarries, but also then they're not paying for the disposal of their previously seen concrete waste to landfill. So on a site like we find ourselves today, where there's vast quantities of concrete waste that typically over the years has been taken to landfill, what we do is quite simple. We would come in with crushing and screening and mobile equipment, and we would, along with the client, determine what their specifications requirements are of the product, and then we would simply crush and screen the existing concrete waste on site into that product specification that the client might be looking for. So essentially, as a business, we need to compete with natural aggregate suppliers. What clients typically do is they would purchase natural aggregate from a quarry or a mine, such as in this case, a quarried stone. They then use this material to produce products such as lintels at this particular site. Our purpose, or our driver, is to crush and screen the waste to ultimately produce this liberated rock, whose inherent quality is still very much the same as what it was when it was initially mined from the quarry.